In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up customer email notifications for successful payments in Stripe. This is a fantastic way to keep your customers informed and ensure smooth communication. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and do so with the credentials associated with your business account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your Stripe dashboard, a hub of activity where you can manage everything related to your online payments. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu with various options. Look for the Settings tab, that's where we're headed. Give it a click, and it will take you to a page filled with all kinds of customizable settings for your business's payment system. It's like the control center for your Stripe account, where you can tailor many things to suit your specific needs. On the Settings page, you'll notice a section labeled Business. This is where all your core business settings are housed. We're going to focus here for our email notification setup. Click on Business, and as you do, a new set of options will appear, allowing you to configure various aspects of how your business interacts with Stripe. Now locate the Customer Emails option. This is the key feature we'll be working with today to set up our notifications. Click on Customer Emails, and you'll see various toggles that allow you to enable or disable different types of communications with your customers. Since we want to notify our customers about successful payments, find the toggle labeled Successful Payments. This option ensures that every time a transaction goes through successfully, an email is automatically sent to your customer confirming their payment. Keeping your customers in the loop with such confirmations can help boost transparency and trust in your business operations. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch to the On position. When it turns on, you'll know it's active and ready to go. This simple action will allow automated emails to be sent out, taking a little bit of manual effort off your plate and providing an additional layer of communication to enhance the customer experience. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully set your Stripe account to send out email confirmations for successful payments. This straightforward process not only helps in maintaining clear communication with your customers, but also adds an element of professionalism to your business operations. If you ever need to adjust these settings again, simply follow these steps and you'll have complete control over your customer email notifications. Thank you for watching and happy managing.